Karnataka rules out online examination for higher classes. Lucknow University Teachers Association writes letter to Vice Chancellor to shut university. Delhi University to continue with online classes. Consider vaccinating board exam students for safety against COVID-19, says Allahabad High Court. Allahabad University to conduct undergraduate, postgraduate and professional courses exams from April 30th. Increasing demand for cancellation of board exams. No decision by CBSE yet. Prime Minister Modi to address Association of Indian Universities 95th annual meet today. Kejriwal urges centre to cancel CBSE board exams as COVID-19 cases increase in Delhi. JNU admission process may start by the end of April, says Vice Chancellor. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan, on Monday ruled out holding examinations online. Speaking to reporters after a meeting in view of the spurt in COVID-19 cases, Narayan, who holds the higher education portfolio, said there was a demand from a section of students and parents to conduct the tests online. It will not be possible to conduct the online exams in the present system. Examinations will be conducted only in offline mode, though a few deemed universities may be able to conduct exams online. This will not be possible in the government setup, Narayan said. The timetable for degree, post-graduation, diploma and engineering examinations has been affected a bit due to the ongoing bus strike, the minister said, adding that the exams would resume immediately after the strike ends. Physical classes would be started once the pandemic is brought under control and the students can attend physically or through online mode. The Lucknow University Teachers Association wrote a letter to the Vice Chancellor urging for the university to be shut due to the surge in COVID-19 cases. Lucknow University is currently closed till April 15th. However, the Teachers Association requested that it remains closed till the COVID-19 situation comes further under control. Online classes will continue for now. The upcoming exam dates and details about the exam system to be followed would be released soon. The letter written by the Lucknow University Teachers Association states that several teachers and staff members from the university had lost their lives due to COVID-19. Delhi University on Monday issued fresh COVID-19 guidelines amidst a surge in COVID-19 cases. The University of Delhi has informed that the classes for undergraduate and postgraduate courses will continue in the online mode only. Teaching or learning for undergraduate and postgraduate students will continue in the online mode only in all the colleges, centres and departments of the University of Delhi. In accordance with the University Grants Commission and Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines, the varsity has allowed the final year students in small batches to visit their respective colleges, centres or departments for their laboratory, practical, skill, library and related activities. All Group A officers and in charge of the section shall attend their offices adhering to the proposed guidelines by the MHA, it notified. The varsity has also urged all the eligible employees to get themselves vaccinated as a precautionary measure. The Allahabad High Court has suggested that the government must consider vaccinating students appearing for board exams for safety against COVID-19. It said that the central government and Indian Council for Medical Research should think of extending the vaccine benefits to board exam and higher education students. It stated that immunization program must be vigorously carried out through vaccination of large number of people. Central government and Indian Council for Medical Research must rethink for extending the benefit of vaccination to students pursuing higher education and those appearing in the board examination of high school and intermediate, looking to the large-scale infection in population of younger generation. University of Allahabad will conduct all postponed examinations from April 30th onwards. The undergraduate, postgraduate, law and professional course examination will begin at the end of the month. The new timetable for all the appearing candidates will be available soon on the official site of Allahabad University. The order of subjects as per the varsity in the new timetable will remain the same as in the old timetable. The examination will be conducted in online mode and the answer sheets will also be accepted in online mode only. The varsity has advised the students to download a scanner, practice scanning 12 pages together, making a single PDF, naming it as suggested earlier, and then upload on online portal. Earlier, the varsity had issued guidelines for candidates who will appear for the examination. The examination duration is for 3 hours. Candidates will get an additional time of 30 minutes to submit the answer sheets online. The demand for cancellation of upcoming board exams for class 10 and 12 intensified on Tuesday in wake of the exponential rise in COVID-19 cases, even as the Central Board of Secondary Education said it has not taken any decision yet in this regard. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and his deputy Manish Sisodia appealed to the centre to cancel the exams, saying the examination centres can become super spreaders and alternative methods for assessment need to be explored. CBSE officials denied any change in plan yet and restated that the arrangements are being made to ensure social distancing by increasing examination centres by over 50%. The exams are scheduled to begin from May 4th. A senior board official said the exams cannot be cancelled. These are subjective exams which are crucial in nature and cannot be conducted online. The board is taking all necessary measures as per COVID-19 guidelines. The exam centres have been increased and all COVID protocols will be followed strictly. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the Association of Indian Universities 95th Annual Meet and National Seminar of Vice Chancellors today through video conferencing. He will also release 4 books based on Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar's life, written by Kishore Makwan. The event is being hosted by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University, Ahmedabad. Governor and Chief Minister of Gujarat and Union Education Minister will also be present on the occasion. A national seminar of Vice Chancellors on the theme Implementing National Education Policy 2020 to Transform Higher Education in India is also being organized during the meet. It aims to work out implementation strategies for the recently launched NEP 2020 with a clear-cut action plan on effectively implementing the policy in the interest of its primary stakeholders, the students. Talking about how examination centres can emerge as COVID hotspots with the participation of nearly 6 lakh children and 1 lakh teachers, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Tuesday urged the centre to cancel the CBSE board examinations due to a rise in the number of coronavirus cases in Delhi. Addressing a press conference, Kejriwal said, 6 lakh children in Delhi are going to write CBSE exams. Nearly 1 lakh teachers will be a part of it. These can become major hotspots, leading to large-scale spreading of corona. Children's lives and health is very important to us. I request the centre to cancel CBSE exams. He further stated that the online method or internal assessment can be used to promote students. Some alternative methods could be thought of. Children can be promoted this time on the basis of either an online method or internal assessment, but CBSE exams should be cancelled, added the Delhi Chief Minister. JNU Vice Chancellor M. Jagdish Kumar on Monday said the varsity will continue the current semester in online mode and the admission process may start by the end of April. Kumar, along with other officials of Jawaharlal Nehru University, addressed students through Facebook Live on the state of affairs in the campus in the wake of rising coronavirus cases. He said the university will take a decision to allow offline classes in the next academic session after reviewing the pandemic situation. The university has made every effort to make sure that the teaching-learning process goes on, and we are glad to tell you that all our courses are now running through the digital platform. The entire semester will go on only in the online mode. We will review the situation and see if it will be possible to conduct the next academic session in the physical mode, the Vice Chancellor said. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theENN.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.